In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a promotion on LinkedIn. If you've been with a company for some time and have moved up the ranks or changed roles, it's important to reflect this change on your LinkedIn profile accurately. Whether you've progressed from an apprentice to a full-time employee or transitioned into a new position entirely, showcasing your career advancements can be seamlessly done by stacking your roles together. I'll walk you through this process step by step, ensuring that your LinkedIn profile reflects your career journey accurately. First things first, navigate to LinkedIn and open your profile. You can do this by clicking your profile icon at the top or selecting the Me option followed by View Profile. Once you've accessed your profile page, scroll down until you reach the Experience section. Here, you'll notice a plus icon. Go ahead and click on it and choose Add Position. An important point to remember is that at the top of the form, you have an option to notify your network about this update. If you want your connections to be informed about your new role, leave this toggle on. Otherwise, you can keep it private by switching it off. Let's start by adding your previous position. In the job title field, type something like apprentice. While you can choose to fill in the employment type, for now, we'll leave it blank. Next, in the company or organization field, search for your company's name. If it appears in the drop-down list, select it. If not, you'll need to enter the name manually. If LinkedIn suggests a different company, simply click No. Since this position is in the past, make sure to uncheck the box that says I'm currently working in this role. You'll need to provide your start and end dates for this position, mention the location, and make sure to include a concise description of your responsibilities and achievements during this role. Once you're happy with the details, click Save. Now let's move on to adding your new position. Still in the Experience section, click that plus icon again and select Add Position. For this new entry, put in your current job title, such as Marketing Specialist. Just as before, we'll skip the employment type. It's crucial to ensure that the company name is entered exactly the same way as it was for the previous role. This consistency allows LinkedIn to stack the roles together seamlessly. If your company name appears in the list, select it. Otherwise, carefully type it as you did before. Make sure to check the box for I am currently working in this role. Proceed to add your start date, the location, and detail the duties and accomplishments of this new role. Once you're done, hit Save. Now, as you scroll down your Experience section, your company name should show up with both roles neatly stacked underneath it. If they don't appear correctly stacked, double-check the dates and ensure the company name matches exactly in both entries. And that's how you add a promotion on LinkedIn. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.